welcome back to my channel. Today I am visiting one of must visit place in Singapore, and it's called Singapore Waterfront, from where we can have a great view of iconic building Marina Bay Sands. It has hotel rooms to stay and a swimming pool on the top, and views of city is incredible from top of Marina Bay. We will walk around the waterfront area that give us a beautiful view of Singapore city, Singapore Flyer, and Merlion statue. When I last time came here, there was a big statue of Merlion, and this time missing the Merlion. It's not here. I think it's a construction going on.
所以这个是要拍的。然后呢，全世界第3大、第2高的，建在这里。
Cái túi quần áo đâu, cái túi vừa sạch họng nữa đâu.
Oh my god, what an unfortunate. The Merlion is on short break and will be back soon. In the meantime, why not take a photo with Merlion, our Singapore national icon. Here we go, 7-Eleven here, and there there is a souvenir shop here. Merlion ice cream. Anderson Bridge is closed due to work going on it. There are so many tourists, it's so busy. These are the Singapore's main tourist attractions, and these are the ਇੱਥੇ ਮਰੀਨਾ ਵੇ ਸੈਂਡਸ ਤੇ ਇੱਕ ਲੇਜ਼ਰ ਸ਼ੋਅ ਵੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਉਹ ਵੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਸੋਹਣਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਨਾਈਟ ਟਾਈਮ। ਇੱਥੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਰੀਆਂ ਕਾਫੀ ਸ਼ਾਪਸ ਵੀ ਹੈ, ਸੋ ਮੈਨੀ ਕਾਫੀ ਸ਼ਾਪਸ ਹੇਅਰ। ਤੇ ਉਹ ਵਾਲਾ ਰਨਿੰਗ ਵੀਲ ਆ, ਉਹਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਵੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜਾ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ। ਉਹ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪੂਰਾ ਰਾਊਂਡ ਕਰਕੇ ਨੀਚੇ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆਊਗਾ ਉੱਪਰੋਂ ਜਾ ਕੇ। ਤੇ ਇੱਥੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਰੂਜ਼ ਬੁੱਕ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ, boat ride. You also have a Starbucks here.